My uncle snores like a jet engine. We tested this tiny device as a joke, but it actually worked. This little smart nose clip uses micro vibrations to stop snoring. No mask, no big machine, just this tiny piece. Watch this. You put it on your nose. It detects snoring, and when snoring starts, it vibrates gently to open the airway. It's rechargeable, small, and honestly surprisingly effective. If someone in your house snores, this can save the night. Link in my bio, look for Anti-Snore Smart Clip.